You can go to our website, www.freshchoicetobacco.com, to find the minor repair guide. And that's also going to show you step by step how to disassemble the machine. And it kind of walks you through doing some of the minor repairs and adjustments that you can make at home. So you can download that from the website. We do offer a toolkit that you can purchase. It comes with a Phillips screwdriver, a number 2 square screwdriver to remove the screws from the back of the case, and it comes with a 1/8 Allen wrench, a 3/32 Allen wrench, and a 1/16 Allen wrench. Now I'm going to take you through the steps of removing the machine assembly from the case. You'll have 10 screws in the back that you'll want to remove with the number 2 square screwdriver. Okay, once you get all 10 screws out, you can set those aside. You want to open the back case sort of like a book. Likewise, you do have to be careful of the red and black wires that are being wrapped around the back of the control board. We can remove that just by pulling the black and red wires to the right and disconnect that connector. Then you're able to remove the rear case and set it aside. Next, you'll want to disconnect the connector at the bottom right of the control board with the 2 blue wires and 2 yellow wires. You also pull those towards the right of the machine and they will disconnect. Next, you would want to remove the ribbon cable. I always grab each sides of this ribbon cable and pull it up towards the top of the machine. Once you have those disconnected, we need to remove 4 screws to remove the machine assembly from the front case. 2 of the screws are going to be located in the bottom, down by the vents under here. There's 1 screw here to the right of the motor on the right, and there's 1 screw that kind of hides behind these wires, just to the left of the hopper. So we'll remove those 4 screws. Once you have those 4 screws removed, you can grab the motor on the right hand side and pull the machine right out of the front case.